If you want to hear how I'm doing on my rolling project pan, then stick around. Hi there, it's Hélène, and it is time to update you on my rolling project pan. And I have more progress this month than I have had in quite a while, and I'm really excited about it. I did focus on a few products specifically, and it has definitely paid off. So first off, let's go over the products that I didn't really use. And what I did not use, I tested out, but I really didn't use, was the Mercier Caviar Stick samples. This one has been just stumbling along, included every month, but I'm really not using it, so we have to make some decisions about this one. I also really have not used my butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. I really thought I was going to get to this one this month, but I have not, and so that's an unfortunate situation there. But it's good for the other products I was using instead. I mean, I made some use of products, just not the butter bronzer, although I do know that I need to move to that one given we are pretty much in winter at this point. I did make some pretty good progress with this highlighter drop bottle. I hadn't been using it, and I hope you can see I'm down to here. So I'm positive that I will be done next period. And I'm really excited about it because I'm so close, and I'm so close. As soon as I'm done, I'll be cleaning out this container and putting a new highlighter drop again from Annabelle into this little container and starting all over with a different liquid highlighter. Really, really excited to move on from this one, although I like this one. It's not a bad highlighter. It's just nice to change things up once in a while. So I'll be looking forward to moving on, hopefully at the beginning of 2021. And I also used, to a certain extent, the Becca Liquid Crystal Lip Topper Glow Gloss in Pearl and Gold. But the trouble with this one is, just by the virtue of the type of gloss it is impossible. I've tried with my ring light to see where I am, and I can't. But what I did was I compared the weight of this one to the other one, and there's a 2-gram difference between this one and the other one, so it's still quite a bit fuller than the one I'm going to show you. Now, there's 5 grams total in these guys, so a 2-gram difference, and the other one's almost done. I think that I've used up about 2 grams of the 5 grams in this one, just based on guesstimation on the other gloss that is in this project, which I'm going to show you just now. Now this one is Champagne Dream and Bellini, and this one cooperates. So it's been lying on its side, so it's not going to show you as much, but I did have it upright for hours and then drew this line, and it was kind of more on one side than the other. That's why the line is not straight across. And so that is all that I have left in this container. So I think that this one will be done by the next update, and then I'll just have this one to focus on and finish. And I really do like the Becca Lip Topper lip glosses. They are very good quality, they're good colors. This is one I have on right now, and I really do like them, and I know, because I like this one the most, I know that I'll finish it first. And there's also so much less in it because I like it so much. And then I'll have no problem moving to the Pearl and Gold, because that will be the only one I have left. And then once I'm done with the Beccas, I will go to another brand where my glosses are getting a little long in the tooth and work on those as well. So I'm not unhappy with where I am at this point with the glosses. If anything, they are one of the bells of the ball for my progress this month. Now the next product is this Clinique Pretty Easy liner. Now I only used it a couple of times. It still has some life in it, but I just want to have it in the project so I remember to focus on it and finish it up. I have used this liner quite a bit, so there's not that much left in it, I don't think. And so I'll just keep using it as I use it, although it has played second fiddle to the KVD Trooper liner and the Fenty Fly liner at this point, but I will just resume focus on this one, I think. And one that I'm super, super excited about is this one, and it was in my empties. If you have not seen that video yet, I will put it right there. I managed to finish it, but I cannot take any credit this month for finishing it because I finished it on October 2nd. I tried to sharpen it and it fell right out. Whatever was left of the pencil fell right out, and I have not been able to use it this whole month of October. So yeah, that was a little bit of a letdown. I would have loved to have been able to declare victory last month, but it took a whole additional month of me waiting to tell you about this little guy. But I'm super happy. It does mean that I got my worth out of it because Perversion liner is my favorite from Urban Decay, and it is also not exactly a cheap pencil. So really happy to have had full use of it, and I'm sad to see it go, but at least I used it up. And finally, I really made a lot of progress on this one. I'm really happy about it. This is the Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Face Mask, and I have used this as my night cream a number of times this past month, and it was very full, and now it is down, I mean, really down to here. So I've for sure used at least half of what is in this container. And I am hoping, based on the use this past month, that I will be done next update. And now it's time for the progress pictures. Let me know what you think of the progress and my plans for the coming month. And other than that, I will say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it every single time. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. But for now, take care.